experiences in my life that I ever had. Before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Artika Sari Devi. My student ID number is 23106522. I'm from the morning management class A. One of the best experiences in my life was when my family and I went on vacation to Gundaling, Brastagi. At the time, I was 11 years old. There, we visited several interesting places and tried many new and exciting things. When we arrived in Gundaling, especially Brastagi, I saw some people riding a horse, and it made me very exciting to try it. I told my parents that I want to ride a horse too, and they allowed me. Finally, my older sister and I rode the horse and went around while being accompanied by the owner. After that, my family and I had a picnic on a mat with a beautiful waterfall view in Gundaling, Brastagi. While we were eating, someone came in over us to take our photos, and we agreed. After eating, we took some pictures, and the photos were printed and collected at a different place. Then we looked for souvenirs and interesting food. After that, we went to another place called Taman Alam Lumbini Brastagi. But unfortunately, when we arrived, it was already closed, so we went somewhere else. I remember that my friend once told me about Big Funland, so I became curious about that place. I told my parents that I want to head to that place. My parents took us there, but because it was already late in the afternoon and the sky was getting cloudy, we only passed by. Sadly, we had to go home. Throughout the journey, I cried because I really want to go to Funland, but we ended up not going inside. I felt very disappointed, and since it was no longer possible and our hearts were heavy with sadness, we decided to go home. My parents told me that someday, when there is time again, we will go to Mickey Funland and visit the places I want. That made me stop crying. On our way home, we stopped at a place that sold fried bread. Then continued our journey. When we arrived home, I couldn't stop looking at my photos from Gundaling, Brastagi. After a month later, my parents kept their promise and took me to Brastagi to go to Funland. After we entered, I tried several rides that I dared to try and was allowed to do. Although I didn't try all the rides, I felt very satisfied and happy because I could tell my friends about my holiday at Mickey Funland. During the trip, I felt very happy because I could spend quality time with my family. We laughed, we talked, and we enjoy every moment together. The fresh air and beautiful scenery made the vacation even more special for me. I realized that this trip was not only about visiting new places, but also about creating unforgettable memories with my family. At school, I excitedly told my friends about my vacation. That is an interesting story that I can share with you. Thank you for your attention.